I'm Chris Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and welcome back. Today we're visiting a new construction community, and I want to talk to you a little bit about unfinished basements. Now, if you're moving from someplace like the Midwest or the Northeast, you're actually used to finished basements. That's a big deal. When I first moved to the metro Atlanta area, it really was shocking to see that the basements were often unfinished. So usually when you're building a property, whether it's going to be a spec home with a new construction builder or you're going to be doing it personally, the quote is not going to include the basement being finished. That's going to be something that you're going to do afterwards, or you can contract with the builder to do during the process. Just recognize that it's usually cheaper for you to finish the basement later than it is for you to have the builder do it while they're building the property. And the reason is there's going to be a lot of upgrade fees, a lot of tack-ons, because the builder's going to be managing the process. So it's only fair that they get their cut. If you got more questions about moving to the Southeast or what's happening with basements and homes down in Metro Atlanta, I'm the person you should talk to. Give us a call at 404-994-5100, or as always, for more content like this, follow us and subscribe on our social media.